How's this spot?
It's not bad.
That's an Abrams. He's gonna drive right past us. Enemy Abrams on my position.
Gotcha.
Fucking told you. Look at
Are you shitting
you
me?
fucking kidding me?
Sorry, he's fucking... There we go.
Hit him once with a Glackum.
And just don't go for a while. It doesn't. It's not part of your routine. It's just hard.
Yo, fire on toast. I just saved your ass. That was a dude right there. Blew his head off.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my god.
It's just
Is
ridiculous.
Scoop Squad 7 or...
He knows what he signed up for. It's once a
that's ours.
fucking month.
What?
Like, get
And-
over it a little.
Oh!
I found... So...
Did you get him? Gonna throw a frag over there.
Well, there goes all that.
We just threw frags at each other. Calling it more than not damaging us. And that's why I backed this off. And that's why I backed this off. Or nope. Tiger. Wait for the BTR to. Yep.
Yep. Load, please.
Enemy BTR destroyed.
No, now it's coming.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh, I got the Abrams. Oh shit. Oh shit. Call it, call it, call it, call it, call it, call it, call it.
Another.
He's a goofy nigga. Is what he fucking is. God damn you. Motherfucker has stone skin and mirror image. What a fucking bitch.
Ooh, that was it. Is that a...
Yeah,
Is that
that's
a
a kill.
kill?
You kill. What's my fucking game froze, bro? As soon as I knife, there's cover. You can get here. What is 7 doing, bro? 7's gonna get himself killed. And we're gonna lose more tickets. We haven't got on the point yet. We're already under 100.
Oh, I got killed by a fucking straggler over here. He's just laying down there.
Yep, 7's getting fucking massacred and they're dead. Hey, look, I called it. 7's dead. Oh my
Mike,
god.
if you could get to me. Hey guys.
Put one in there.
Okay.
I think I hear mortar rounds coming from the southwest.
Dude, I stuck in the MVP, bro. Holy crap.
If it stays right there, I'm gonna shoot. Hang on. Watch out.
Oh, okay.
So
I'm ducked, I'm
just
ducked, I'm ducked. Anderson Gibson.
Tank. I am currently being chased by at least one BMP. He was
Yep.
on that ridge line moving
We are-
towards road.
Oh wait, just let them go first, man. Let them fuel the mines out for us.
Alright, we'll wait here. You guys go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. We'll bring up the rear.
Hey,
Alright,
hey, Commander,
yeah,
it's,
go with that.
it's your radio.
There he is, there
Oh!
he is.
Yeah, we're ready for this one. No, get it on the... We're not getting like 3 people.
That was a
I mean,
waste of
30
time.
people. There's one
Alright.
here.
So like if we have... We have these little things called LDRs, which are like,